15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25.
Fail.
Broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
You're joking, dude.
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
What happened last week or the week before?
I don't know.
No, I don't.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm system. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.
Looking elsewhere around the Midwest.